Samsung teases a new impressive camera for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. New Amazon deals emerge, and this time for the Google Pixel 2, sort of. And the Essential phone is getting 3 brand new, interesting colors. I'm Jaime Rivera, and in a perfect world, Beavis and Butthead would still exist, and Buttman would be the darker knight. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for a Google Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, I would highly suggest you head on over to Amazon's Woot. And I just been surprised. I didn't know when Amazon acquired Woot or if that was always a service that belonged to Amazon. But yeah, refurbished Pixel 2 for $529, and there are options up to $579. That is crazy. You should follow that. Now let's talk about the Essential phone. Those of you that thought that this phone was going to die given how little it has sold, there are actually 3 new color options that are kind of crazy, like for example Copper Black, Stellar Gray, and Ocean Depths. And I hope I got those names right. The most important part is I do acknowledge we've been sitting on this review of the Essential phone for a while. It has a lot to do with software updates and everything, but yeah, it doesn't mean that this is not a good phone. And one of these color variants is already available. You should learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Google's Project Fi. It continues to be my favorite way to connect. I'm currently in Honduras, I've been traveling around, and my Pixel 2 XL is connected everywhere. Currently it has just expanded to another 170 countries, and it'll still cost you a crazy $10 a gigabyte. And you've also got that data protection after 6 gigs. You can learn more in the description as well. And for those of you that have been rocking iOS 11.2.5 and you've probably noticed some bugs on iMessage, you are not alone. Apple has acknowledged that there is this bug that actually makes iMessage crash, and depending on whatever message you get even deeper trouble. Apple is working on it, but we're not exactly sure when we're getting the update. Just a heads up, it's out there. And finally, the very hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9. As yesterday we were discussing the fact that the company is working on some sort of Animoji that's going to be called 3D emoji. The company actually eventually teased it with a video where we saw this probable emoji working, in addition to camera features. The teasers show us that it's great in low light performance, etc. You know, it leads me to the question today. As we're getting close to MWC, I'm pretty much already packing to leave for Barcelona in a few days. What are your expectations for this S9 and S9 Plus? You've heard the rumors, you've seen everything. Is everything what you want of this phone, or are you looking into something more important? Leave us a comment down below, because in my case, I'm liking everything I see. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our impressions and predictions of the Galaxy S9 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.